Hello, welcome to Acoustic Elusive. Today we're going to be talking about a very high-end piece that goes back about 15 years out of the UK from world-renowned Chord Electronics. This is the Chord CPA 5000 reference preamplifier. MSRP back then was about $16,997 or thereabouts. Absolutely fantastic, ultra high-end piece. All the high-end components are included here. Everything's discrete. Very high quality circuit boards. You've got an A bus, B bus. Again, everything dual, mono, differential, everything. Very ultra high frequency power supply. Beautiful piece. 39 pounds of aluminum. I don't know if it's extruded or if it's cast and or if it's what's involved, but very, very high quality piece. Definitely never going to be the bottleneck in your system. I've had a lot of high-end preamps over the years, so when I got this piece, I got it as part of a bundle. I definitely didn't pay $17,000. I got it, paired it with those Mon Acoustics VC1s out of South Korea that you see right there. Definitely did them justice. Had to have that preamp to really make those speakers, which are a little bit on the cool side, a little bit matter of fact. This preamp was a perfect match for it. Maybe slightly, I've had the wider sound staging preamps, but very musical, very sweet and forgiving on top. All the details there. The soundstage was fantastic overall. Got good air around the instruments. Again, very sweet sounding piece with lots of dynamics and clarity. Absolutely fantastic piece. Extruded, so it's got a very nice aluminum preamp. And by the way, there's adjustable input gain for all the channels. I believe there's 4 XLR ins fully balanced and 3 RCAs. There's a home theater pass, outputs for all the channels, for the 2 channels, and then RCA and XLR. But the input gain is very important. I've had a couple pieces I connected with this and they had low sensitivity under low impedance or whatnot. Being able to crank up the gain on all the inputs was a huge benefit, and very welcome off the remote control. I couldn't do it off the actual piece. I needed that remote control to do that, so that's something to remember if you buy this piece. Anyway, fabulous piece. We're going to be talking more during this reviews about system setup, home theater, audio, acoustics, speaker and seating placement, helping everybody, and system matching. We'll talk about new gear, used gear. I'll consult for different pieces. I've played with so many pieces over the years. There's lots of new stuff to keep track of, guys, out there on the internet. You should be plugged into all these content providers and YouTube bloggers, or video makers and podcasters, and all the gentlemen out there that are doing a fabulous bang-up job. We're going to talk about that in the next video, and these guys, a big shout out to everybody doing it. Stay plugged into all these members. Listen to what's new, what's current. Anyway, CPA 5000, fantastic preamplifier. If you find one on the market, highly recommended. Hope you enjoyed the show. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you next time. Enjoy.